Yo, hello guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to apply AI in your business. So basically, I will show you how to make the AI, which is the ChatGPT AI, help you in your business in multiple ways. So first of all, let's go ahead and open AI, and then let's go to ChatGPT. Now, after we opened it, of course, you will have to create an account if you didn't have already one, and just sign in if you have already one existing. Now, let's talk to him and say hi. Now, let's wait until it responds to us. Maybe it can take some time because it has a lot of traffic. So, now, let's, for example, say that you have a stock and you really wanted to make a program that will actually see the stock and see how much stock you have, how much the price, etc. and etc. So I will be like, can you write me a script using um, Python for my company stock? So let's wait a little bit. Sure. Can you please provide me with more offenses, which stock you would like to use, and what specific information action you would like to script accomplish? I want to have add and remove option, and also let's remove, and also I want the amount of the total stock I have, the different categories, and each client, or like each client's payments deadline or something like that. Sure, here's an example of basic script that allows you to add and remove stock as well as view the current stock levels and client payment deadlines. So stock client, and it will start making you a full program, so good, so simple for you in order to automate your work and your business, and that's how you can actually apply AI guys in your business. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.